Introducing our next speaker, Mr. Nikhil Ballad. Please, sir, welcome. Mr. Ballad is the executive editor of Thane Vaibhav, a daily newspaper in Thane. This newspaper was vision of his grandfather, Mr. Narendra Ballad, which was then started by him in 1975. He has successfully handled and justified his role for the paper under the guidance of his father, Mr. Milind Ballad, a senior journalist and editor of Thane Vaibhav. Presently, Mr. Nikhil's working area are marketing and circulation of the newspaper. He completed his graduation from R.A. Poddar, Matunga with specialization in marketing. He also did his diploma in advertising and PR from Wellinger Institute of Management and pursued masters in electronic media from Mumbai University. He has also worked with ABP News for 3 years as a reporter. There he handled political and business beat. He played prominent role in covering Mumbai Blast in 2012, riots at Azad Maidan and Anna Hazare's Andolan for Jan Lokpal Bill, to name the few. His pioneer in starting the first hyperpluses in Thane city. It was a significant start in this area, as for the first time any publication in Maharashtra has done so. He started children's newspaper called Bal Vaibhav for the Adivasi student. Here I present Mr. Ballad to you. Over to you, sir.
A very good evening to all of you. Well, I understand it has been a very hectic session for you all. Since morning you all are here, but I'm sure it has been a very entertaining one, because I heard one of it, and I'm sure that the earlier ones would have also been that interesting as well. Well, firstly, I would like to thank the Bidikar College MBA for inviting me for this program. I'm highly glad to speak in front of you all. Well, my topic is challenges and innovations in branding and advertising of publications. Well, branding and advertising is a very common word which you must have heard of. Like we have made a cliche of it now, till now. Well, branding and advertising is everywhere. Like it starts from childhood itself. You may be shocked like how it starts from childhood. The famous film Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Shah Rukh Khan says to Hrithik Roshan, "Maa tumse zyada mujhse pyar karti hai." So when we have a sibling, we do market ourselves in front of our parents so that we draw our parents' attention towards ourselves. So the marketing starts from childhood itself. Later on, when we go to school, we start marketing ourselves in front of teachers in order to get good grades, or to be the monitor of the class, maybe the CR, the class representative. So the branding and marketing exercise continues in the school. When we step out of the school, now the real interesting branding and marketing starts. When we go to college, we start marketing ourselves in front of girls to make her our girlfriend. So it's a perpetual process. Later on, once we step out of the college, we go and start hunting for jobs in front of the interviewer. Again, we do marketing. Then in front of the boss, eventually we also do marketing for appraisal. Once we get married, we do marketing in front of our in-laws to keep the marriage stable and sound. And eventually, once we are grown up, we do marketing in front of our grandchildren so that they might help us in getting the medicines or taking us to the hospital and so on. So the branding and the marketing process is a perpetual one. It starts from childhood, it ends till we grow old, and same is applicable to publication. For any publication, same branding and advertising and marketing is required. Well, as I was introduced, I belong to the third generation of journalism, that is 3G. So I have to be more fast, more quick, as per the 3G technology. And just a brief introduction about myself, about our paper. I belong to Thane Vaibhav. It's the first Marathi daily of Thane. And it was founded by my grandfather in 1975. A little introduction like why it was actually founded. He happened to be a sub-editor of Maharashtra Times, which is popularly known as Mata. In 1975, he happened to be in Europe. At that time, he observed some local pluses over there. Like many of you must have heard about Sussex, Essex, Trentbridge, Edgbaston. So Europe has these local pluses over there. My grandfather realized that even we can have a same kind of pluses, same kind of local dailies in Thana itself. And we were the first one to start a local daily in Thana. We realized that time, like my grandfather realized that Thana is not covered that properly. Like for example, Thana, due to the proximity to Mumbai, Thana was not covered that much. Like for example, who all stay in Thana over here? Many of you. So I'll name some places like in Thana. There are many issues in Thana itself. Like maybe Vartak Nagar, maybe Samta Nagar, maybe Ghodbandar Road, maybe Pachpakadi, maybe Naupada. Many such areas. And Thana is huge. Like it is about 147 square kilometers. It is next to Mumbai. But that time in 75, there were only state papers or national papers who were only covering Mumbai news, Maharashtra news, and then the country news. What about Thane? What about us? We weren't covered at all. And there was a need of us to be covered. There was a necessity to be get noticed. And that is why he started this local daily from Thana. And over 38 years, we have been operating in Thana city. I'm glad to tell you that tomorrow is our anniversary and we are completing our 38 years. So this is where the local paper had to come, and it came, and we were the first one to start it in Thana. So as the local train first ran between Mumbai and Thana in 1853, it gives me immense pleasure to tell you that we were the first local to start in Thana in 1975. Well, everything was smooth till 95. Like till 95, all was going good because there was only monopoly of Thane Vaibhav in Thana. But then the state papers, the Mumbai papers, they felt the need of going more local. And they started their Thana pluses. Like everyone, Times of India, then Maharashtra Times, Lok Satta, everyone started becoming more and more local. And that was the time when we had to become more and more hyper-local. And what we did was, we started Vartak Nagar Plus. We started Naupada Plus. We started Ghodbandar Plus. We started Pachpakadi Plus. We had to become more and more hyper-local. So that was our first innovation which we did. We couldn't become more and more national or more international because that need was already being fulfilled in the market. So what was remaining was becoming more and more hyper-local. And on every Sunday, we started coming up with a 4-pager tabloid supplement along with Thane Vaibhav, showcasing all these local areas, their local issues, their local problems. So for example, like any one of you who must be staying in Ghodbandar, your brother or sister may have won some medal, or he may have got selected in under-14 cricket team of Mumbai. We hardly get noticed in big papers. I don't blame big papers, but they have a limitation of the space. So here is where we actually created a space. We started creating space in all these local pockets, and we started covering the news, events, and issues of local areas. And by God's grace, over 10 years, we have been doing well in these pluses. We are getting good response from all the areas. A kind of a citizen journalism we have started encouraging because people have started contributing by their own. They give their news, they give their ideas, they give their suggestions, and which are ultimately published in the pluses. People read them, people have given them overwhelming support. So one innovation definitely changed the ball game altogether. But then, why we require branding? Why we require advertising for a paper when it comes daily? It does require. Because the kind of branding and advertising Midday does, Thane Vaibhav should also do. Otherwise, Thane Vaibhav will die. So we started branding and advertising it. And due to the cutthroat competition in the newspaper industry, it was very much required. I would like to tell you that the newspaper industry in India, it is a sunrise industry right now. Whereas in the other parts of the world, it is sunset. It is declining. Whereas in India, the newspaper is booming. Because the literacy is increasing, and that is why the people are feeling the need to gather more and more knowledge, more and more information. And that is why the papers are progressing like anything. But again, due to the introduction of the social media, of the digital media, like many of you asked Mr. Amit about the digital media. So digital media has definitely taken a toll on our medium as well. Because if there are so many sources of media, news available to them, then why will they actually buy the paper? This is a question now some people have started asking. So, cutthroat competition, then the introduction of social media, this is definitely was one of the reasons of branding and advertising our paper. I would like to share some facts about the present newspaper industry in our country. Like, even if there is a lot of competition, cutthroat competition, the social media has also intervened. Many of you, like, I don't know, like, hardly any one or two must not be having any Facebook account, but everyone has a Facebook account. Everyone must be watching news on the digital media, on the website. And that is why this was a big threat. But still, India is a big market of paper. Like, about the 4 major global markets in our country, in the world, India stands second. 99 million newspaper copies are sold every day in India. So that's a huge market. The first is, of course, China, due to its population, 107. Then Japan, 67. And US is 51 million copies every day. So if you see, the condition in India is quite good. It's quite interesting. And quite progressive. We can be very optimistic. There is no reason to be skeptical about it. But then there was again a need of more and more branding, more and more advertising, because when the market is good, definitely more and more players are definitely going to enter this market, and more newspapers started coming after 90s. You'll be shocked to know that only in Thane district, there are about 31 papers. So that kind of number of papers are there in the market, and they are quite operational. They are doing it in every taluka, they are performing it. And so there was a need of branding and advertising that time as well. Well, branding and advertising, when we thought that it is necessary for a paper, for a Thane Vaibhav, firstly we had to identify the target audience. It is very necessary when you do any branding, or branding of any logo, or branding of any ad, or branding of any paper, you have to understand the target group. And there is how we identified first our target group. And that time we realized that our paper is read more among the professionals, like among the businessmen, among the industrialists, among the chartered accountants, among the doctors, lawyers. So these are the people who actually count. Then the common man comes. Thirdly, then the children come, and fourth is the youth. So this was the priority which we came across, and accordingly we did our branding. It was a time when we realized that more the circulation, more the loss. Like, a gentleman asked a question to Mr. Amit, like, how many ads you require for covering the cost of 4 rupees? So he said 15 is the cost price. Similarly with Thane Vaibhav also, when 2 rupees is the cover price of Thane Vaibhav, our 4 rupees is the printing cost. So we have to recover those 2 rupees. So more the circulation, more the loss. Even if you take example of a Times of India, it is 29 rupees is the cost price, and you get it at only rupees 4 rupees or 4 rupees 50 paise. So the difference has to be covered in the form of advertisements. So what we did was, like, we thought of becoming niche. We thought that we'll cover only the niche market. Because more the circulation, you have to gather more the number of ads, that is more the expenses in circulation. So that was the equation which was going through in the time of late 90s, when all the papers had come in, when the competition had increased, when our monopoly had totally gone. So that time we had to take a call that whether we will go for mass or whether we will go for class. And there where the branding and advertising took place. We realized that we will be covering these people first. As I told you, their priorities. And in that chronology, we started designing our product, started branding it, and we started giving the news content as per the TG, which target group, which we had prioritized. Like, what we did was, like, branding and advertising and edit goes hand in hand. Like, what you give content, that decides your brand. Like, if you keep on giving, I don't know, like many of you might object or you may have difference of opinion, but if you keep on giving some cheap news or some funny news all the time, people might not take you that seriously. So the edit on your paper also decides what kind of brand you are. And when we realized that this is our target group, this is our people, we started giving more and more news of them. So we had a limited circulation, we were catering to a limited people, and we were only concentrating on them. We changed the logo completely. Like, initially it was yellow and red. Like Thane Vaibhav, it was yellow and red. But then we changed it, we made it blue. We made it blue because that time we realized that there are no such papers in the market which have blue logo. If you notice, there are hardly 2 papers which have blue logo. So 2 or 3. So we decided that we'll have a blue color that is more trustworthy, that is more dependable. So the logo of the paper was also changed altogether. Then the branding was done in the different areas. Now while doing branding also, we had to take help of the outdoor publicity. And while making use of the outdoor publicity, we have to be very careful of what kind of people stay in that locality. So our teasers, our lines, our punchlines also went in that way. Like, I'll take example of Thana only, since many of you stay in Thana, so you might gather it quickly. If we are doing outdoor publicity of our paper in Pachpakadi, which is supposed to be a very elite area, then we will have that kind of a tagline, that kind of a punchline to attract the people. But if we are having it in Ghodbandar, where there is a lot of Agri people staying there, or Koli people are staying there in that locality, then we brand and then we advertise in that particular way. So we had to advertise, we had to brand our product as per the localities. This branding is so common now that it is not only with the publication now, but it has also become very popular among the politicians. You must have seen the hoardings of politicians everywhere. Whenever there is any birthday of any politician, the other day one of the political leader was telling me that they actually, like we all management students, they actually sit with all the photographs, with all the lines. Dadanna Shubhecha, Nanana Shubhecha, you must have heard all that kind of advertisements. They actually sit and they actually choose the photographs. Which photo will go where? Which line will go where? And that is how they decide. Like if Pachpakadi, then they'll have some elite, they'll have a photo in suit or boot, that kind of a gelled hair and all in specs. And probably they might not use Dada or Baba or Nana there. They might just use Sir. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. But then if it is advertised or if it is branded in some Ghodbandar Road, in some Agri area or in some Koli area, or the area where people can actually identify with that leader. So the advertising and the branding is done in that way. So similarly, Thane Vaibhav also had to do their branding and advertising in those areas as per the locality. What is the taste of the people? What is the dialect of the people? What actually people like? What actually people don't like? We had to take all these things under consideration, and then we had to brand it all over in Thane. Later on, we realized that the reading habits among the next generation is there, but it is more for English. Like, people are little more inclined to English than to the regional press. So that is what we realized in 2005. And then again, the branding and advertising process of ours started. This was a big challenge because we saw that over 10 years, over 15 years, the circulation had remained standstill till 16,300. It was neither going up, neither it was declining. So we had to improve our circulation, and we realized that city is over. We can't do anything in city. It is fully saturated, and the next generation is probably preferring to read more English or probably Minglish. Because while we speaking with, like many of us Marathi here, Maharashtrians here, when you speak with our like parents or relatives, we often, like in a sentence, there are 3 words in English and 3 words in Marathi. So it's a Minglish. It's a new terminology which the many media experts have discovered. So more inclination was towards Minglish, or more inclination was towards English. And RTG, like as I initially mentioned, that it is more of a businessman, more of a professional, more of a political clientele. So these all target audience, they come who are after an age group of 30. So what, till 30, if we want to gather circulation of an age group till 30, what can we do? How we can improve the circulation? Because as rightly said, our entire business depends on the advertisement. So we were pondering what to do, how to increase the circulation, because our advertisers used to ask us, what is your circulation? Then only we'll give you an ad. They see the ABC, Audit Bureau of Circulation. So we had to increase the circulation in any way, and so what we did was, like when the Mumbai papers started coming to Thana, we shifted from Thana and we started going to Dombivli Kalyan. When the Mumbai papers reached Dombivli Kalyan, from Dombivli Kalyan we started shifting to Badlapur Ambarnath. When they reached Badlapur Ambarnath, then we had to again shift and go towards Palghar, Dhanu, Jawar. That's where the Thane district ends. So we became more and more rural by that time, and to catch a good circulation initially, we had to target the children, because in any family 2 people are very influential in buying anything, or त्यांना कोणी नाही म्हणत नाही. One is the female of the house, the wife, and the other are the children. If they ask for something, their father has to fulfill it. And that is what we realized, that if we want to improve the circulation, the innovative idea would work out in this particular area, and which would definitely fetch us a lot of success, is starting a children paper. So after the pluses, we started a children paper which can be read in Adivasi schools also. So in rural areas, Thane Vaibhavs, Bal Vaibhav started being read in every school of the rural areas. And over the years, over 10 years now, about 73 schools are being regularly reading Bal Vaibhav, and we have gathered a good circulation from all these schools. So we had to do something out of the box. We had to target the school children to gather circulation. It was a question of our survival, but we managed it, and we did it very well. Now Thane Vaibhav's Bal Vaibhav. Now in branding, you must have studied, it's multi-branding, it's a one kind of a thing, or semi-branding. So multi-branding is like if Thane Vaibhav, then it can have the other products in some other names. But then I purposely kept it Vaibhav, like I had a Vaibhav in every new thing whichever I started, so that I can have a semi-branding in everywhere. Like the name of Vaibhav will reach every household, it will be a hammer. For them we started Property Vaibhav. We always entered a space where there was actually a space. Like the B and the C category of advertisers weren't aware of advertising. And they were afraid of this big mediums. But they had to advertise. They wanted to get noticed in front of people. They also wanted business. We created advertisers in them. We started branding them. We started covering their write-ups. They never knew any advertorial. You know advertorial? advertorial is a data or any information of any organization, but it's a paid write-up. We feel that it's a news, but it's not a news, it's an advertorial. So we created a habit for these advertisers to have an advertorial in our paper. And eventually they started advertising also. So wherever there was a need, a media need among the people, we endeavored to fulfill it, whether it be the readers, whether it be the advertisers, or whether it be any other people who actually matter to the press. We had to advertise ourselves in some innovative manners. Some innovative techniques which you might find a little weird, but then we had to. Like the outdoor medium for our kind of an organization, it's little costlier. So we can't totally bank on it. But then we had to take help of some mediums which are quite cheaper, or which are quite innovative, or which are quite out of the box. Like what we used to do, like our marketing executives would go in a local train along with Thane Vaibhav. And they used to sit reading the Thane Vaibhav in a local train. They used to take a Thana local only, purposely. So normally a tendency of any person who is reading paper, and if he's finished reading, the other person, baju wala पूछता है, भाई हो गया तो दे दे, पढ़ लूँगा. That used to happen. Like when we felt that there is a need of branding ourselves, hammering ourselves, many executives of our paper, many other people, we used to outsource them. They used to carry Thane Vaibhav along with them. They used to sit in the local train from Thana. They used to go till VT. They used to come back from VT till Thane, because mostly there was Thana crowd. And everyone used to read Thane Vaibhav. So that time, the hammering, we did it in the local trains. Then often we face a big problem about the circulation agents, though they help us in circulating our papers, but many a times, if you have seen any stall, on a stall there are lots of papers, but then you have to make your paper noticed, and that is why the paper should be in the beginning, the paper should be in the upfront, so that the readers will identify the paper and the readers will pick it up. That not used to happen, because there was such a big competition, such a cutthroat competition, that till 95, the paper used to be on the stall. But then the circulation agents, the paper stall, the vendors, they, like due to lot of papers, they had to hide it, or not, they never used to do it purposely, but then they had to keep it under the table or below the table. They had to do all kind of things. But then our people started roaming everywhere, started going from place to place, started visiting each and every stall. And when we realized that the big papers, not taking any of the names, but then they had actually like given them lots of incentives, lots of perks, that which made them keep their paper upfront, and which made them keep our paper back or below. So there we again became helpless. Because that is the most pivotal place of branding. Because the stalls are visible, the stalls are everywhere. They are at the public places, they are at the bus stops, everywhere. And that is why that's a very effective medium for branding and advertising. So our paper had to be upfront on the stall. But it was not happening at that time. So we were not in the position to give them any incentive or any perk. That is the biggest problem which any small scale organization faces. Little lack of funds. Like as I was discussing with Mr. Agnihotri sir also, like small organizations, this is a big problem. There is a limitation, because lack of funds is a major obstacle, major Herculean task in front of them. But then we had to convince him to keep our paper back on the stall, let the paper be visible to the readers, then only the people will ask. Otherwise, how will the new readers ask? Like if a person who is coming from other place, from Borivali or from Dahisar, who has recently shifted in Thana and is operating in Thana, how will he ask for Thane Vaibhav? Unless and until he knows, or he reads, or he sees it on the stall. So then what we had to do, Like, if you are reading Maharashtra Times, you may be seeing that on second page, celebrities' birthdays are being displayed. We started displaying the birthdays, birthdays and photographs of the agents. That was again an innovation. We started creating an emotional attachment with the circulation agents. So that is another part which is not visible to us, like outdoor or anything indoor, branding or advertising. But again, this is behind the doors what is happening. Like, we had to actually create an emotional dialogue with the circulation agent, which we started with the birthday photograph or the birthday name of that particular agent. So that agent started receiving phone calls on his birthday, and he was overwhelmed. So that kind of self-actualization need or self-esteem need was fulfilled by Thane Vaibhav of the circulation agent that time. And gradually, as and how we covered the news of the local areas, local pockets, we started covering the news of the circulation agent people as well. Like, circulation agent's wife or his son, he also may have received some of the award or some felicitation in some of the other place. So we started covering that news also in the paper. That made them realize that this is our paper. And that is how the other big papers were they were taken aside, and the Thane Vaibhav also chipped in. So that was also one of our attempt to brand our paper, to advertise our paper, though these efforts are not seen properly, but then this was some of the efforts which I had to, we had to take as an organization in order to circulate it. Now, as we discussed, the branding and the advertising, that it starts from the childhood only and it ends till we get older. Branding and marketing just requires brainstorming. If we do brainstorming, it is in us. We can do it properly. And for that, I want to make you realize that it is within us. So, just to pep up the environment little, we would play a game, a marketing game, in which we will actually realize that we have those marketing skills, we can brand ourselves, we can market it. Shall we play a game? Sure? Okay. So what I'll do is, like, I'll give two products. I want a pair, one boy and one girl. Who will come? One boy and one girl. Okay, you come. The back benches are always smart. That's why. And we'll have a front bencher then, when we'll have a girl. You come. You, yeah. What's your name?
My name is Rupali.
Rupali, okay. The game is that I'll give Rupali this pen. Okay? And she has to market it to your name?
Amit.
Hamid. So Rupali will market this pen. She belongs to some pen company. Anything. You have to also decide some name. Yeah. You can do anything. You have to convince Hamid with this pen. You have to convince him he should buy it. Okay? Anyhow. Amit, you shouldn't buy it. Okay? You have to be very stubborn. Okay? You should find all kind of faults, all kind of reasons not to buy it. Okay? Start? I'll be requiring two mics. Yeah. Pali will be getting only 3 minutes, huh? Not more than that.
Okay. Hello, sir. My name is Rupali,
Hello.
and I'm from a XYZ pen manufacturing company. So, what's your name, sir?
My name is Amit Mishra.
Okay. Hello, sir. Sir, you must be requiring a pen because it's a basic necessity, I think. So, what do you think about that? I mean, are you in a need of a pen?
Yes, I am in need of a pen, but just I like to get the features of the pen.
Okay. This pen is of a Lexi company. As you can see, the brand label is there on the pen. And this is this will exist for more than 3 months. I mean, how many times you are writing on a paper? It will be. The feature of the pen is it's very flexible. It's portable, and you can keep it in your pocket or also with your
I can
laptop
use
bag.
pen for 3 months.
Yeah, or more than it.
Okay, that this full refill will work for 3 months.
Yeah, more than 3 months. That's a guarantee given by the company. And
हाँ मार्केटिंग ओपनिंग वीडियो है क्लोजिंग वीडियो
and also you can change the tip of it, the color of the tip of this
Closing video
pen. As
नहीं
you can see, now it is a blue color. You can change it with your, the whatever color shirt you're wearing. So
Can you please show me other colors?
yeah, sure. And basically, sometimes what happen with the normal pen that when you write and if the water falls on it, the paper gets or the links gets a flow or spreads on the paper. With this, it will not happen.
Display,
And-
please.
Sorry?
Can you give me example?
Yeah, you can write it on your paper and you can follow. Yeah, you
Show
can.
me.
Can I? Sorry? Okay, see. If you want a demo, you have to follow the button on it now.
It's not working, I think so.
It's working. You can see. It's working. Sorry, it's working. You can see. Okay. If you want, you can try it on your own.
Okay. Can I use water?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay.
चल बंद करो
Wait. Now you have to do it. Don't go.
Okay.
Tissue paper. I'll give it to Amit. Rupali.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Your name?
My name is Rupali.
Hi, Rupali. This is the product today. I'm going to invent. I'm here marketing it. I'm marketing this product. The name is Maruti tissue.
Okay.
With this tissue, you can wipe your face. You can use many a times you want.
Okay.
And this box, it
I mean,
was
it's a reusable tissue paper or?
no, it's not a reusable tissue paper, but it has the best quality with its fragrance. You can smell.
Right. But my skin is very sensitive, so fragrance may affect my
It's
skin.
eco-friendly fragrance. As in it's equally means you can use it.
Okay.
You won't get any effect or means your skin won't get damaged or something.
Okay.
You can use it many a times while traveling, while means after lunch or something may.
Okay,
So
just
this-
tell me other features about it. Other features like whatever. What are the other features or unique feature? What is the USP of your product?
The USP of my product is that if you use it, you'll use it other time.
Okay. I mean, it's like a normal tissue, right?
Yeah, it's a normal tissue.
Paper. So why should I buy it from your company?
My company gives this means as it is written over here.
Okay, it means you're not familiar with your features. I mean,
No,
your
I'm
product
familiar
features.
with my features, but I'll just try, tell you what is written over here.
Okay.
It's clean, soft, and gentle.
Hmm.
If you can, you can just try it if you want. Uh, Using this tissue paper, you can clean your face. You can clean your specs if you want, if you have.
Okay, what is the cost of it?
So that was a great effort by both of them. He actually innovated many things in a tissue paper, which we haven't seen so far. Eco-friendly perfumed tissue paper. Okay, and your refill will work till 3 months. Okay. So it's all about innovations, how we innovate, how we brainstorm our ideas, and this is how we go. If sir permits, we can have one more pair and then we'll end up the session. One more? Yeah. Yeah, sir. One more girl. Okay, we'll have you. Yeah, you. Mahesh. Yours? Neha. Okay. Mahesh has got the spectacle. Again, the same thing. He has to convince Neha. And Neha, don't get convinced.
Hello, ma'am. Can I know your name, ma'am? Sorry? Neha. Ma'am,
Neha.
ma'am, what is your profession, ma'am?
I'm student.
Okay. And in a day, how many times you read a book or how many times you sit near the computer?
I read 3 hours.
2 to 3 hours. Then do your eyes get strain on the? Do you get strain on your eyes?
No. My side is very good.
Sorry.
My side is very good. Oops.
Ma'am, if in future, if you will get a specs, then what you will do?
I will use contact lens.
Contact lenses.
Okay.
Ma'am, instead of that, if you will get any specs like in stylish form, then would you accept it?
I would like to use colored lens
Colored lens.
instead of using.
Ma'am, I am from a spectacle company, and I have to sell my product. So I have contacted you because you are a student here, and and doing a survey in this area, we have found some students who are lacking with their eyesight. So we have came with one specs which is very nice in decoration, sorry. Which have many features like you will look good in this specs, and you will also find many of attraction of boys with this also. So would you like to have this, ma'am? Ma'am, any specific reason why you not?
My makeup is not highlighted.
Ma'am, in this your eye makeup will also highlight, ma'am.
No, it's not.
Actually, it's a frameless, ma'am.
No, it's not a frameless.
Ma'am, this is my demo piece, but there are also frameless.
No.
Ma'am,
Convince
then
me more.
how you will like to have a specs in any form?
With very attractive manner.
What do you mean by attractive, so that I can convince you?
Very different from other. It is a common.
Nah, it is my demo piece only, ma'am. I have many pieces like this. It's not with me now. I will show you it later.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mahesh. Now, Neha. Simple thing. Light. Convince him to buy a light.
Hello sir, my name is Neha. I want to know how many lights are there in your
2 or 3.
yes, only that kind of light or the tube bulb
No,
light
no.
like
Bulb, CFLs.
no, this is a very good light. This there is only one light in one room. It's efficient for you say very good and very
What do you want to say? You can speak in Hindi also. That I will get.
okay. It is one light is efficient for a whole one room. So there is no need for 2 and 3 lights.
But
So-
in daytime, I don't need any light.
No, it is for it is for night time.
Nighttime, I just use one CFL. Otherwise, I will not use
What is it? I don't know.
CFL bulb.
No, their light is very less, but it is very powerful light.
I don't need any powerful light
And it
because
is
I have
very
one.
cost consuming also. There is a very reduction in electricity bill if you use this light.
But I don't need any powerful or.
It is very good looking and very stylish light. It is not, matlab, the normal light are there on very top. This is also a vertical form also. You can use it on
Actually, it has
pillar.
many. It has a huge space to
No, it is
hang
fit
on.
on this pillar though. That's why there is.
No, in my home there is no pillar.
No, all homes are having a pillar.
No, there are directly walls are there.
Please buy this light.
So thank you Neha and thank you Mahesh. So this was just a teaser for all of us. We can market ourselves, we have ideas, we can innovate. I know this is a beginning, but all the students who are aspiring to become marketing managers, you have to begin with sales. And to identify the brand first is very important for any organization, like what our brand is, what are its features. We should be well versed about that feature, and then only we can actually convince him with innovative convincing power skills. So I'm sure like we should congratulate both of them, like this pair as well as that pair. I think a big round of applause for all of them. Thank you. So we can have the question answer. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
About the advertisements, maybe paid or free, whatever. But the thing is that who has the maximum bargaining power? Is it you or the customer to whom you are dealing with?
What do you think?
The customer.
Customer has become a king now. Like he is the king. He's been a king from quite a long time now. And it is, I would say, not a sad part for all of us, but then many a times the advertisers dictate the newspapers nowadays. Because we are so very dependent on the advertisers, because without advertisements, a newspaper can't work. Like all the revenue module of the newspaper depends on the advertisers. And advertisers actually buy readers. He buys readers from us, like he buys his customers. He doesn't see them as readers, he sees them as a customer. So the advertisers have a big role, and they definitely influence the policies of the newspaper, and they have also started encroaching the editorial policies also nowadays.
was said in one of the morning sessions that think global and act local. So do you have any expansion plans like starting circulation in Nashik or Pune or untapped markets like Satara, Sangli? Do you have such expansion plans or no?
No, actually, basically the thing is like, since it's a local paper and like as I initially mentioned in my presentation, like more we expand, more we try to circulate. Like as Amit also gave an example of DNA. Like DNA pumped lots of copies and they increased their circulation, they augmented it like anything. And then they had to withdraw back the circulation. So it is very essential to play in that periphery, but play in a true way. Like instead of expanding it outside, try to become more hyper-local, what we are trying to be right now, because that is less expensive and also very effective. Because if I try to go to Nashik, there is already Gaokari over there. If I go to Satara, like in every district, you will see one Thane Vaibhav. So there are 35 districts in Maharashtra. Everywhere you will see one Thane Vaibhav. So there is no point of going in that area when there is already one product over there. Because nowadays we have started seeing it as a product, like we have started seeing it as a toothpaste or a soap. So we instead of going over there, we are trying to maximum, like we are making maximum utilization of the space where we are right now. So we are trying to see that the circulation has reached entire district first. Like it goes till the markets which are totally virgin. Like for example, like we keep on roaming in Wada, Vikramgarh, Talasari, Palghar, Dhanu, Jawar. It's a all rural area. It's a all Adivasi place where people are actually waiting for a newspaper. But media unfortunately is not paying attention towards them. Even they have their set of problems. So instead of going in Mumbai or instead of going in Nashik, Pune, we are trying to fulfill their need because they need us and we need them. Okay, the thing is like he asked me like why aren't you shifting to electronic? Like even just like Thana district has a mouthpiece in terms of Thane Vaibhav, why can't we have a channel of only Thana district? Like still there are no radios also of Thana district, they are of Mumbai, so big market is untapped still. But like I'll answer your question first. It is like instead of going to electronic medium,
Yeah, it's okay.
Instead of going to the electronic media, like since I've worked with Star Mazha for almost 3 years, so that time I saw the electronic functioning, like how it happens, what kind of issues are being covered, and ABP Mazha or Zee 24 Tas or the other regional channels, IBN Lokmat, they have been covering the local issues quite well. They have become very local. So localized issues are being highlighted in the electronic media first. And secondly, our electronic system or the infrastructure or the paraphernalia is still not that developed. Like if you think of starting a cable news channel, again, that kind of system or that kind of infrastructure, unfortunately we don't have till now. But now since the set-top box has come, we might expect some good news in future. So probably we can think of electronic medium by that time. But as of now, we are totally focusing on print. Secondly, electronic is more costlier than print. To start a channel, the expenses is almost double the print. So it is always better to focus on print, and that is what we are doing. We are also going in English. Just like Thane Vaibhav, we will also have our English weekly soon. It will be launched by the end of this year. So we are more focusing on the print than on the electronic, probably we can also think of radio someday, because the Thana district news are hardly being covered. Because the other day when I had been to Pune, Achanak, the radio jockey started speaking in Marathi. And then I realized that I have entered Pune. I just got up and I saw that she's saying in Marathi, so I must have reached Pune. This is not happening in Thana due to the proximity to Mumbai. So still the space of radio is left. So probably we can think of a radio in future.
Thank you so much, sir. I thank him for explaining the challenges involved and providing with such of innovative ideas which are from his practical experiences and journey, and connecting it with such live examples. Thank you so much, sir. Now I request our director, sir, to kindly felicitate Mr. Ballal with a floral bouquet. Thank you. I call upon Asmita and Siddharth to announce the results.
Good evening, dignitaries, my dear friends. A very warm welcome to one and all. I, Asmita, and my friend Siddharth are here to present the results of our contest. So finally, it's a time for the moment of achievement. Yes, we can sense the butterflies flying in your stomach, so I will not waste a single minute of your time, and we'll discuss the prize distribution of Marketing Summit 2013. The Marketing Summit 2013 contest, which was held for 10 days, that was from 10th August to 20th August, will discuss the contest winners for redesign logo, for print ad media, and mass advertisement. We are very thankful to the participants who have contributed for making this contest a very successful one. My friend Siddharth will announce the winners, so please be attentive.
I request Director Sir, Director General, and Dean Sir to please come on the dais. So, it's the judgment time, it's the result time. Okay, fine. So, winners of masked advertisement, any guesses? We had 2 entries for this event. Any guesses? We are giving the first place winners, that is Wizards. Atira Nair, Aishwarya Naresh, Kapil Bhagat, Badar Patil. I request Director Sir to please give away the prizes. The copy of this ad is displayed outside. They had done it on bridal wear plus jewelry is equal to matrimonial site. Now the winners of redesign a logo. For this event we had got a lot of participants giving a lot of inputs, creativity. So any guesses for the first place? Be loud. Any guesses? The first place goes to Guns N' Roses, Apollo Hospital. The participants are Amey Oak, Prajakta Soni, Sejal Kulkarni, and Sriraj Dekhne.
Now ask Murthy sir to give the prize.
Thank you, Director Sir. For the runners-up, the second place goes to Wizards again. I request Murthy Sir, Dr. Guruprasad Murthy Sir, to please give away the prizes. Thank you, sir. Now the the last contest, that is printed media, wherein you had to show a social awareness. The winners are 4 dimensions. The first place for the 4 dimensions. Members, Sharmi, Amit, Sumit and Nikhil. I request Dean sir to please give the prize for the first place. And the runners up for the printed media again is Wizards. Their ad on domestic violence won them the runners up prize. I request Dean sir to please give the prize. Thank you very much, sir. We had got a lot of response, and I'm thankful to all the jury members from the faculty, and also Ranju sir and Nitin Bhagwat sir for judging this event. And thanking you all, and I request Sneha to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Siddharth. Good evening, everyone. I, Sneha Phatak, feel immensely privileged to give the vote of thanks on this occasion on behalf of Dr. V. N. Bedekar Institute of Management Studies. This event has been a truly enriching journey for all of us, leading towards a common destination of enhancement of knowledge. As a tradition we Indians follow, the summit began with the lighting of lamp and Saraswati Vandana, followed by an opening video. I would like to thank our director, Dr. Oak, for the welcome note speech, and our dean, Dr. Kerkar, for elaborating on the purpose of the summit, where he spoke about the way we conduct our summits in comparison to other colleges. He also gave a brief overview of how advertising and branding has changed over the years, and how internet has changed the way companies market or advertise their products. I would like to thank Mr. Bhagwat for his truly enriching inputs on the future of advertising. He highlighted on how social media has become a new source of data, with the IDA model being replaced by the see, compare and buy model. He also introduced us to the upcoming trends, reviewing being the biggest, where trust of the consumers has shifted to online reviews, preventing companies from lying or misleading us. Reviewing is based on data deluge and nowism. He also spoke about price pandemonium and transparency beyond price and product features. He also spoke about building brand citizenship by targeting communities and crowdsourcing. Next, I would like to thank Mr. Ranju Mohan for his practical inputs coming from a rich experience. He related his inputs with our theme, Connect, Collaborate and Differentiate, and acquainted us with the use of data analytics in advertising, co-branding, differentiation through thinking local and acting global, and branding through sustainability. Further, I would like to thank our Director General, Dr. Guru Prasad Murthy, for his inputs on advertising. He took us through various types of ads by showing various videos and urging us to be wise consumers and examining the veracity of ads. Our next speaker for the day, Mr. Alan Colasso, Secretary General of ASCII, shared valuable inputs on the do's and don'ts of advertising, and how ASCII regulates these 5 lakh plus ads created in India every year. I would like to give my heartfelt gratitude to him. Next, I would like to thank Mr. Amit Kabre, General Manager, Midday Info Media, for sharing his rich experience in print media with us, elaborating on various innovations in print media, specifically Midday, like Party Guide Special, Hit List Broadsheet format, Text Wrap innovations, Polybag innovations, etc. Further, I would like to thank Mr. Nikhil Ballar, Executive Editor, Thane Vaibhav, on the knowledge he shared with us about challenges and innovations in branding and advertising of publications. He spoke about how national dailies and digital media are the biggest challenges for a local publication and the ways they dealt with them by going hyper-local, targeting a niche group, changing the logo, starting children's paper, publishing the circulating agent's birthday in the paper, and many more branding techniques. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Professor Agnihotri and Pallavi ma'am and all the faculty members, along with all my colleagues from the marketing team. Also, I would like to thank the administration team, Mr. Deepak Gokhale and Mrs. Deepti Gokhale, for the food arrangements, Paresh and the support staff. I hope everyone present here has something to take home. Now I request Samir to play the closing video.